Yoga and ED. 5 best poses you can try right now. Erectile dysfunction is more common than most people think. It causes low libido, trouble getting an erection, and problems keeping an erection, all of which can negatively affect the quality of life for many men. Could yoga help manage any of those symptoms? Research shows that a simple yoga routine can help men enjoy better sexual health. Want to learn more? Keep watching. Remember, if you enjoy our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 1. Seated forward bend. This posture helps to relax the pelvic floor and ease tension. It engages the back, calves, and hamstrings. How to do the posture. Sit on a yoga mat with the legs in the front. Each leg should be stretched straight with the calves touching the floor. Strengthen the spine and inhale. Tilt the upper body forward as you exhale and hinge at the hips. Keep exhaling slowly as you deepen the forward bend. Try to bring the belly as close to the thighs as possible by keeping the spine straight. Grab the shins or ankles, whichever is the easiest to reach. Hold the position for a couple of seconds and release. 2. Perfect pose. The reason people choose to do this pose is that it will target the groin muscle, spine, lower back, and hip muscle. All of this makes it a key feature in promoting blood flow to the perineal muscles. How to do the posture. Sit on a yoga mat and stretch each leg forward. Place the hands at the sides. Take up a meditation position. To do that, bend each knee and bring it towards the heel of the opposite knee, but make sure to keep the back straight the whole time. Lift the left foot and position it just above the right ankle. The left heel should be brought into the groin area. Take it slow and don't force the legs to bend too much. Maintain balance by sliding the toes between the calf muscles. Place a hand on each knee or let the hands rest while you sit upright. Keep this position for 1 minute or longer. 3. Standing forward bend. Often referred to as Uttanasana, this simple workout is a great option for stretching the back. The intense stretch targets the calves and hamstrings. Most importantly, it can ease stress. How to do the posture. Stand firmly on the ground. Position the left and right leg slightly apart. Then place the hands on the hips. Bend the upper body forward and exhale as you hinge from the hips towards the ground. This yoga position is known as the swan dive. Try to bring the palms flat on the ground. If you can't, bring the fingertips in line with your toes. Hold this position for a couple of seconds. Slightly bend the knee to engage the quads. Then inhale and lift yourself up to return the body to the starting position. 4. Half Lord of the Fishes. When you want to do yoga for erectile dysfunction, this is a yoga asana pose you shouldn't miss. The asana is meant to stimulate blood flow and better digestion. Therefore, it can benefit the pelvic area, spleen, liver, pancreas, and thigh muscle. How to do the posture. Sit on the ground and stretch each leg forward. Bend the left leg of the knee and place it over the right leg with the left foot touching the floor. Slowly inhale and exhale, then turn the upper body toward the left side and stretch the right arm forward. Try to position the arm towards the right elbow. 5. Corpse pose. Remember, most of your problems with sexual functioning come from stress, so you must work with your stressors to enhance sexual activity. And that's exactly what you can achieve with this pose. It doesn't actually engage the pelvic floor muscles as the other options do, but it targets the mental stressors more efficiently. The reasons for its benefits lie in the breathing patterns. How to do the posture. Lie comfortably on a yoga mat with the back touching the floor. Stretch the arms to the side. Close your eyes and picture each section of the body relaxing. Begin with the toes, then move towards the ankles, calves, knees, until you've reached the head. Focus all your attention on your breathing while still being relaxed. Maintain this position ideally for 15 minutes. Enjoyed our video? Then please like, subscribe, and help us get to 100,000 subscribers. Facing erectile dysfunction is not a pleasant nor comfortable experience. It is an issue that promises to make every aspect of your life harder, and it can take its toll on your physical and mental health. If you are tired of an ED impacting your sex life, we encourage you to make a change today. Trying something as simple as yoga can make significant changes, ones that will finally improve your erectile function. Thanks for watching.